Step number 1 would be setting up the project for next steps, which is connecting Firebase, creating schemas, UI, and all the steps. So we have a custom chat. We can create a link Firebase to this. So eventually, when we evolve on this series, once we complete Firebase, I'm also planning to go with full API backend and also using Superbase as backend. Even that series is we are planning to do it. I'm using my test Firebase account here. I'll copy project ID. You can also create if you don't have experience about Firebase, how the things work, you can also create a project directly from FlutterFlow. Once you can click create project, connect your Google account, and you can automatically create a Firebase project, and it will be connected to FlutterFlow. So here now I'll connect this. I'll name my company name Firebase Meta Custom Chat app. We're also intending to do it for web, so we'll enable web. Set up Firebase. We'll connect Firebase ID. Enable authentication. User collection, yes. At home. Actually, it should be opposite here. So this is very important step. Once you connect the Firebase account, okay. Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to build the chat application initially, like in Firebase, because it's easy to share. As I said, like once I complete this template, I wanted to share with users as a clone project, so they can copy and create in their own project, like in their own FlutterFlow dashboard. Firebase is slow, I understand, but for basic, I just wanted to start as basic and advance as we progress. And I'm also planning to use WebSockets and create custom API for the chat, and they can host themselves. So this is definitely there in the checklist for future. But currently, the reason is I wanted to start as basic and then evolve as we see more and more features. Even I got comments from Superbase, this one, Reddit, using Superbase or like for file sharing, like videos and images, to use some custom hosting and etc. But I just wanted to start as basic, as I said, and eventually evolve as I get more and more feedback from users and create more tutorials. So yeah, I've connected the Firebase, and let me select start and logged in page correctly. Firebase will make sure we generate config files correctly. So I have connected the Firebase. So I was thinking to use an open source uh, UI template to create the UI. So the one you see here is just created by me. I didn't have any standard design to follow. So let me get my other account. So initially I thought I'll use any open source templates to refer for the design, but I didn't really like it much. So then I have this initial UI, what you see here, so which is just created by me. So yeah, I guess we can use this design with different colors and etc. So I've duplicated this. So basically, I duplicate this because we already defined the theme. So theme colors, like what all colors I need during the development. You can also do the same using. You can define the primary colors and all the other colors you will use for success states, error states, borders, backgrounds, etc. in the themes, and also import your icons if you, in case if you use custom icons. So if you wanted to use custom icons, I'll show you it process. You can use that. Let me um, delete all the folders. Actually, this was one of my side projects which I was working. So yeah, so we have the empty project here. I'll delete all the custom code. So yeah, we'll connect the Firebase account again. And it's the same bundle ID we had for the other project, so we don't change anything. We generate configuration files, so Firebase is in sync. Okay, so for storage, we'll manage outside FlutterFlow directly in Firebase. I'll tell you like as we reach to that step. So as I said, you can initial step is connecting Firebase if you have a database, etc., and then adding all the assets you need to for the app. You can connect those assets. You can add all those launcher icons, error image, etc. Like as you see here, we have error image, launcher icons, and splash screen, etc. And you can set your own theme font if you want. Like if you have a custom font, you can add your custom font. You can add your custom icons.